Hello my lovely crafty friends, welcome back to the attic. If you're new here, my name is Tracy and this is my little corner of the creative world where we gather together around storytelling, journaling, paper crafting, and all the quiet, beautiful magic of making things by hand. Today I wanted to do something a little different and a little special as I'm going to flip through the Spring Witch's Garden, which is my March freebie kit inside my Facebook group. So let's chat a bit as we take a look through the Spring Witch's Garden and all the soft storybook magic tucked inside. I thought this would be a lovely moment to reintroduce myself and share a little bit more about Lottie's Magic Attic and invite you into the community if you're new here. And if you've been here a while, I wanted to take this opportunity to thank you again for all your support. Over in my Facebook group, we have weekly freebies that build together over the course of the month. So by the end of the month, you'll have a fully themed kit to enjoy creating with. It's such a fun way to make something beautiful a little bit at a time. I love seeing how everyone's using the same pieces in completely different ways. Throughout the year, we also have special events in the group, and those are always such a joy. Some of them include themed creative prompts, special project shares, and there's even prizes, which makes it feel a little extra magical. It gives us a chance to create together, celebrate the season we're in, and enjoy that feeling of being a part of something shared. One of my favorite things about the group is the incredible creative talent there is over there. It is truly the inspiration in that space. It is such a gift. There's so much beauty, imagination, encouragement, and kindness, and I love that it feels like a place where people can share what they're making and be genuinely celebrated for it. I do want to say this part very clearly. You are welcome to share your makes in that group, even if they are not created with my kits. I want it to be a place where creativity is nurtured and enjoyed. The only boundary I keep in place is that direct links should not be shared without pre-approval. This is just so we can protect the spirit of the group and keep it feeling warm, focused, and supported for everybody. When we're not in the middle of a special event, we also have theme days each week, which gives us little ways to connect regularly, share inspiration, and keep creativity moving throughout the busy seasons. There's always something gentle and creative happening, whether you want to share what you're working on, join in with a prompt, or enjoy the weekly freebies, or simply spend time with other people who love making things. Something I'm really building towards this year is to try to have a deeper connection between my YouTube channel and my Facebook group. I would love for these two spaces to work together as one magical creative community. A place where inspiration begins in one corner and carries it to the other. Maybe you watch a flip through here on YouTube, then you head over into the group for more inspiration. Maybe you make something from the freebies or one of my kits and come back here for inspiration, tutorials, or to see how I'm using them myself. I want it to feel connected, welcoming, and alive, like we're creating alongside one another. And because I don't always have time to create with every kit myself, I truly do love seeing what others are making with them. So sharing in the Facebook group is always encouraged. If that sounds like something you would love, I would be so happy to have you join us here on YouTube and in the Facebook group. If you're already in the group, I'd love to hear from you in the comments and let everyone know what you're enjoying most about it. And if you have ideas for things you'd love to see us do inside the group, share those too. And if you're new here, tell me in the comments, are you here more for journaling, the paper crafting, the storytelling, the freebies, or the community side of it all? If you'd like to join us, I'll have the Facebook group link down in the description box. And if you have someone you think would like to be a part of our growing community, please share this video with them and invite them to the group. So until next time, y'all take care.